Hey guys, this is Vaan Sheahan. Welcome to my channel where I demonstrate basic and creative men's haircuts and styles using my favorite tool, the scissors. This channel is made for hairdressers and barbers who want to level up on their scissors cutting skills. If you found any of these tips useful in this video, please consider subscribing. Let's get into it. Meet my client, John. John has coarse hair with natural waves and high density. The length is reaching beyond his shoulders. This style can be worn with an organic part and hair partially swooping over the ears. If you're looking to level up on your scissors cutting skills, this video is definitely for you. I'm going to show you what I call a Cali cut using a single pair of shears. The first step in this haircut is creating a basic length and framing around the shape of the face. Now I'm adding framing layers around the face. Next, I'm adding both layers into the interior. This video was shot during one of my regular behind the chair work days, and this is my real client. I want to know what type of cutting tools you're currently using. Let me know in the comments below. I'm going to air out the hair by reducing the density for more of a natural flow. Here I'm roughing out the ends to get that raw finish. To produce a masculine layering effect, be mindful that the overall shape should be more square and boxy. I'm using Pacific Creme by Space Products. It is a starter cream that is to be used in the hair when the hair is slightly damp or towel dried. This will build the structure and add texture and movement to the hair. I really appreciate you sticking around to the end of this video. I look forward to seeing you next time. And if you found value in this video, please consider subscribing. It will help me make more videos like this. In the meantime, stay creative and keep on cutting. See you soon.